Okay, student, you can start expanding the bracket right now. Okay, I can see that you are copying the question again. That's actually pretty good. Wait. How come the bracket suddenly become bigger way? No, not like this. Hello students, this is Alvin, your YouTube maths teacher. So today we're gonna learn simplified algebraic expression part 2. So make sure to watch part 1 first. I'll leave the link down below in the description, alright? So let's get started. Example 4, expanding single bracket. Okay, so let's see question 1. Expand the bracket. Every time when you see the word expand the bracket, you have situation like this, something outside of a bracket, okay? So what you need to do right now is you're gonna take 3 times x, 3 times positive 7, okay? So let us start. 3 times x will give you 3x, okay? One more time. 3 times 7 will give you 21. Okay, so that is the answer for the first question. Okay, question B. So 4 is outside the bracket. Everything else is inside the bracket. I see that. So need to multiply in. Alright, so 4 times x, you will get 4x. Okay, again, 4 times 2y will give you 8y. Okay, so 8y. Now be very careful on the next one. 4 times negative 5. Alright, there's a negative over there. Be careful. So that will give you minus 20. Alright, and that's the answer for B. Okay, let's move on. Question C. Alright, so this one got negative x. Need to multiply in with the things inside the bracket. Okay, be careful. So negative x times x. Start, yeah? Alright, this will give you negative x squared. Alright, now continue. Negative x will need to multiply with a positive 4. Alright, that will give you minus 4x. Okay, and that will be the answer for C. Alright, now last one. So whatever that is outside the bracket, just multiply in with the terms inside. Okay, so if you have 3 terms, then multiply in 3 times. Okay, now let us start. Negative y times x. Okay, that will give you negative xy. Now if you want to write negative yx, that would be the same. Okay, now next one again, negative y multiply with a negative y. So that will give you positive or plus y squared, because y 2 times you multiply. Alright, another one. Negative y times here, positive 3. That will give you minus 3y. Did you get it? Alright. Example 5. Alright. Expanding 2 single brackets. So it's something like this. You will see one bracket where you need to expand. Alright. There's another bracket where you will need to expand again. Means you open up the bracket by multiplying. Okay. Now let's see question 2a. Expand and simplify. So first step is you're going to take 2 multiply with x and then repeat again 2 times 8. Okay, let us start. So you will get 2x plus 16. Alright. Now continue to take 3, positive 3 multiply with x and go on and multiply with negative 4. Okay. So that will give you plus 3x and minus 12. Okay, after we open up 2 brackets, that's what we call expanding. You will see that we don't have the bracket anymore. Alright, there's no more bracket. Now your next step is to simplify. So now we're gonna combine the like terms. So 2x and 3x can combine. Okay, that will become 5x. Continue to see what we can combine for the like terms. So I can see plus 16 minus 12. That will give you plus 4. Alright, and that will be the final answer for A. Okay, now let's go towards B. Alright, now just continue to practice. Whatever that is outside the bracket, multiply in. Okay, so 3 times y and multiply with negative 2. So you get 3y minus 6. Okay, Continue to take this plus 4 multiply in by the two terms inside the bracket, okay? So that will be plus 4x and then minus 16, okay? Positive, negative become negative. Alright, after that you need to combine the like terms, remember? So we're gonna combine. I don't see any y family here, so we cannot do anything to y. Now let's look at the number and the number here. Now number and number we can combine, so let's do that. Alright, 3y we copy back because we can't do anything. Okay, now minus 6 minus 16, that will give you minus 22. Okay, lastly we have this x alone. There's nothing to combine, there's no more x inside, so you just have to copy back, plus 4x. Okay, you can leave your answer like this and that should be correct. Otherwise, you can also rearrange by writing the algebra only first, followed by the number. Okay, you can also do that. That will be the same. Hey, if you enjoyed the video so far, don't forget to click like and subscribe to the channel. Just put up a comment, say hi Alvin, I'll definitely reply to you very soon. Okay, last two. Question C. Alright, so let us expand, means you multiply inside 5 times x, 5 times 4, alright? You get 5x plus 20. Okay, expand one more time, yeah? Multiply in the bracket one more time. Careful, minus 6 times x will give you minus 6x. Now, here's the mistake that students usually do, alright? You need to remember minus 6 multiply with minus 5, alright? Or negative 5. That will give you plus 30. Okay, the next step is to combine the like terms. Okay, combine. Let's find the same like terms. Alright, x family and minus 6x can combine. That will give you minus x. Okay, now continue to combine the numbers and the numbers. So 20 and 30 combine. That will give you plus 50. Okay, and that will be the final answer for C. Last one. Alright, now again one more time, take minus 8, negative 8 times x, multiply with negative 3. Alright, let us start. That will give you minus 8x. Negative become positive, careful. This will be plus 24. Okay, now here's the thing. When you don't see any number in front of bracket like this, that's actually 1, alright? So just write 1 like this and just multiply in the bracket, expand. Okay, so minus 1 times x, that will give you minus x. Again, one more time. So minus 1 times 3, that will give you minus 3. Okay, now simplify, like I can see that the x family here and here, that will give you minus 9x. Alright, last one, number with number, 24 and minus 3. So 24 minus 3, that will give you plus 21. Did you get it? So that's it. Expanding the bracket doesn't mean making the bracket bigger, okay? Don't give me a heart attack. So just remember, is multiplying the terms in the bracket, alright? So I hope you learned something from this class and I'll see you in the next class. Bye bye.